My name is Teal Trim. My student ID is 8160242002, and I'm a member of Team 16 for the Object-Oriented Programming 2 group project. During this project, I learned a lot about managing larger projects, especially the technical side of it. Stuff like working with Git and GitHub and handling some of the issues that might arise from when different people try to edit the same section of code. I learned a lot about trying to keep a team on task, and it's not as easy as it used to look. Learned a lot about building larger pieces of software and about design patterns and how to actually apply them to a problem. Overall, I'd say the experience was eye-opening, but stressful.
My name is Javonte Baldeo, part of Group 16 for the Object-Oriented Programming 2 project. This project was quite the roller coaster. I had a lot of fun doing it, but I did find difficulty in delegating tasks to other group members. Even though when they were given tasks, we all did our parts and we stepped up and did as we should. This was my first time doing a big coding project like this. I learned a lot about the design patterns and how to implement them. I also had a lot of fun implementing the different design patterns that we chose on. I see all of their uses, and I did have a lot of regrets looking back on it. There are things that I definitely would have done differently, but in the end, I had fun and I learned a lot.
Good day, my name is Riaz Hussain, student ID 816026154. Well, obviously, I enjoyed the project. What I would say was the most significant or most important part to me was learning how to implement these design patterns. And one thing it's done for me is, well, it's been eye-opening. I find myself looking at apps that I use and whatever and looking at them in a different way.
Good day, my name is Ryan Ramden and I'm part of the Team 16 project group. I would say that for me, the most difficult part of this project was choosing the design patterns for our implementation, as there was a difference in opinions on what would be best, not only based on our requirements, but also our capabilities. What we ultimately landed on, however, I think it was a result of what I'm most grateful for, which is my wonderfully coordinated team members. I would say that thanks to their professional attitudes and behaviors, we were able to overcome any obstacle we faced, and I can't thank them enough. I would go so far as to say that they were the most impactful part of this experience on me, in that I learned to appreciate the value of hardworking, talented teammates, and I would definitely be keeping this in mind moving forward in life. Thank you for listening.
Hi, my name is Kyle McIntosh. My ID number is 816023362. This assignment was both enjoyable and insightful. One aspect that taught me the most would have to be choosing which design pattern to use. Seeing the different combinations possible and how it helped structure the system was very interesting, and completing the assignment really helped further deepen my understanding of these concepts and their practical uses.